Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the Python file you want to remove. Open a terminal or your file manager in that directory and verify the exact file name, including the py extension, because similar names cause mistakes. Once done, make a quick backup if the code is not already under version control. This protects you from accidental data loss. If the file is open in an editor, close it to avoid locks. Finally, confirm you have permission to delete the file. Otherwise, escalate or change ownership. Now delete the file from the shell while paying attention to safety. On Unix-like systems, run rem filename. Py. Add I for confirmation so you can cancel if needed. On Windows, use del filename. Py in cmd or remove via PowerShell remove item filename. Py. Make sure no Python interpreter or service has the file open, stop processes, or restart the service if necessary, because open handles can prevent removal or leave cached copies. After deletion, finish by verifying the file is truly removed. Run ls or dir and confirm the name no longer appears. If you used version control, restore the file with git checkout or git restore, otherwise retrieve your backup copy. If deletion failed due to permissions, use sudo or adjust ownership with chown, but be cautious. Changing permissions can affect system security. One key troubleshooting tip: if the file keeps reappearing, check for build tools, deployment scripts, or cron jobs that might recreate it, and disable them before deleting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.